Hey guys, I'm back. Boy Hectic, aka that guy from the 915. I will be doing a review on a couple of products I bought from this company called TST Industries. Again, I'm not sponsored by them, so TST, just to let you know, I'm going to call it the way it is. I'm going to try to make this very short, very quick for you guys. It's basically a couple of items for my new 2018 ZX6R Kawasaki Ninja. Um, I'll make it quick. I'll tell you what's in the box and try to spit them out quick. This is literally a review and an unboxing, basically unboxing. We will see the review once I'm done with the install, and I will be making a video for these products, and I'm going to do them all at once so you don't have to wait for each product to be reviewed or to be installed, my bad. I'm going to try to do them quick for you guys. It's good, it's good, it's good. All right, so here we go. This is the integrated tail light. It's a blacked out tail light with LED. It does have integrated, there you go, integrated blinkers on there. So you don't have to have those stock blinkers on there, and it looks nasty. What I love about this, that it does have the stock connectors, so you don't have to peel wires and you don't have to do any other stuff for it. It does come with these resistors in the box. The resistors themselves are supposed to be connected to the wires, so I assume that there is video on how to install this product, how to install the resistors on each and every product that I'm about to show you. There are videos on TST Industries website and on YouTube. So if you do buy products, not necessarily mine, but if you do buy your own products for your own bike or any other thing, they do have videos on installation on every single product. So do not hesitate. When you do get these products, there is going to be cards like these that tell you where on the website you could find your videos. They also provide, here we go, instructions for the product that you ordered. This one's exactly, I think this one's for the light and for the integrated tail light, which is cool. Since I did go a little crazy and bought a couple of the stuff that I needed to go ahead and fix the tail end of my bike, I did hook it up with $10 discounts for my next order, which is awesome because if I do like these TST, I will be ordering more. And I do hope that you guys and my subscribers and everybody else that does watch these videos, if you do like the way it looks on my bike and I give you these updates and you enjoy that they are actually working the way they're supposed to, go ahead and give them a try, man. I did a lot of looking through videos and other companies and the taillights and the aftermarket. The taillights and the Fender Eliminators just did not cut it for me. TST was top. So here we go. Again, let me try to make this quick. Again, for the tail light, get the relay. Don't use the resistors, guys. Don't. It's too much work. Fuck that. Plug and go. Plug this resistor into the old resistor and you're set to go. Done. Fender Eliminator, simple. Connect it. Comes with the bolts and it comes with the cover, so you don't have that big hole on the bottom, which is awesome. Again, there is a video for the install on the Fender Eliminator as well. And this is going to be the low profile license plate light. What I love about this, it has HID lights. There you go. Why do I keep saying LED? HID lighting. So it's a lot better, a lot brighter for the rear of the bike, for the license plate. Don't give these cops a reason, especially where I'm from, to pull you over. I will be making a video on the installation on all these products. I'm going to try to kick them in all together to get them out of the way. If you have any questions about any of these products or TST Industries, that I might help you with, and I'll try, and if I don't know, I'll try to go ahead and look up those answers for you if you don't want to, because I'm just that nice of a guy. Go ahead and give me a couple of comments, let me know. And for all you guys looking at this video, like I've said before, hit the subscribe button. Hook it up, especially if you're family or friends. You know who you are. You know who you are. Nah, I'm just messing with you guys. Go ahead and like, click the bell, subscribe. And every time I make a video, or every time I upload a review, or once I start doing my vlogs, you will get those updates on the videos, and you could go ahead and enjoy me again. I mean, at least somebody's got to enjoy me, right? Again, it's your boy Hectic, aka that 915 guy, coming at you with this unboxing for TST Industries. I'll go ahead and let you guys know and keep you updated on the install. Again, comments, let me know. Try to answer your questions. Laters.